Today, I'm on Blackmoor Road, showcasing this end-of-terrace property, benefiting from sizable driveway parking, large rear garden, and a quiet cul-de-sac position. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.